Hey friends, this is Atif Hope you're well and welcome to the update on Mana. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that the price of Mana has recently broken out a down channel on the daily time frame chart, and this was one of those videos. And now, if we move to the live daily time frame, then you can see that after the breakout, it has moved very close to this long-term resistance of 37 cents. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 37 cents has been previously breaking at the resistance here for a few weeks and support here and support here. And for a few weeks, it has been breaking a support here as well. And again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of Mana. And I would also like to show you this very massive breakout that has already happened on here on the 7-day time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of March 2025 in the video description. You can also visit that report as well. Now let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Mana that I shared in the previous month of March on 17th of March 2025 with my members. And that was a bullish Gartley pattern that Mana completed with Bitcoin pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. And this was a complete trade setup. Buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has nicely moved up from this buying zone and reach the sell target zone here and here as well. And before that, we got a very huge pump of 113%. And this was a harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move that Mana completed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. It was completing the final leg, in fact. And this was a complete trade setup. Buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line dropped more down and enter the buying zone here. Then we had a very massive rally, and this was almost 113%. Very massive rally. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart of Mana. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, the price of Mana was moving inside this down channel. But since after 25th of November 2025, 2024, it was moving inside this channel. We had a bounce here, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce, several bounces from the support. And this was another bounce. And finally, we broke out the resistance of the channel, retested the previous resistance of the channel as support. And then the pricing geared up. And now we are about to hit this long-term resistance of 37 cents. That is a quite long-term resistance. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see previously it had been breaking at the resistance here. You can see that we got few rejections here. And here it was breaking as a support. And before that, it was also breaking as support here and almost here as a support as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of Mana. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel. That is at 81 cents. But in my opinion, it can also hit this long-term resistance of 85 cents as well. That has been previously breaking at the resistance here and almost as a support here as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of Mana. Now here on the 7-day time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between $6 to $6.10. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing the different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.